Hello again. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. So back to the Mustang trunk fix. Real quick, just for reference, see where this. I got these just to keep it aligned, so it'll kick out left to right, front and back. You're on your own. But just for reference, see where how high we're up here. Oops. So I just finished the left side. So what? Check this out. Look at the difference. Look how much. Oops. Look how much down the left side is compared to the right side. See that? That's how bad this trunk was. I'll pull it out. Check it out. Pull it out. Put it on the side, the other side that we have to fix. And same spot, basically. Look how high that is. Wow. Yes, had to be fixed. That's just crazy. So we'll lower it. I guess I can do it now. I hate having one hand for this, but so we have it cracked open. See how it goes down. We'll tighten it up. What I mean by cracked outside, I mean the valve. So we'll come back over here. Stick that bad boy in there. We're on our spot. Get this back in there. It's just to keep it kind of straight, I guess. This is a lot of pressure we're dealing with. So we got a little protection to kiss, so we don't damage anything on the car. Myself always wear safety glasses, even with stuff like this, especially with stuff like this. You never know. So huge difference. So here we go. Let's tighten up a little more. Hey, if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. So there we go. You'll really start to see it pushing it out. Watch. It might even pop back out. The other side, it made a pop sound. And if you look here, you can't see where this crease, the buckle, is actually getting lighter and flatter. Check it out. You hear that? Here we go. And when this comes loose, as you're pumping, that means it's going back down to almost its original position entirely, but it's pretty cool. Go a little bit more. And this is going to bounce back, So we go a little extra, and then release. Watch this. And it comes loose. Loose again. Okay. Big difference. Tack weld there. A little tack weld there. Some seam sealer. So just on that alone. So we're going to come in the middle here and a little bit there, as you can see here, the high spot. It's right here. And we're done. Back to normal. All right. Anybody can do it, guys and gals. Just gotta try. Put your best foot forward with anything you do. Thank you for watching.